the area of the region bounded by the curve y equals e to the x, the curve 1 minus e to the x, and the y-axis equals one of these quantities. Okay. I think we just work this out with in a straightforward way. We'll have to find the intersection of these two curves. You know, when we work this out, and then I'm drawing it like this, but I see that in my head we might have to consider negative values of x here. So here's 1, e to the x, something like that. Well, probably more like that is appropriate. And 1 minus e to the x. That's 1 minus e to the x, right? Oh, of course it starts at 0. So that's the region we're looking for there. I don't know why that took me so long to figure out what the region is going to look like. So we're looking for this. I can probably erase some part there that we don't need. Okay. So I want to set these equal first. We'll call this x star. I have e to the x star is equal to 1 minus e to the x star. So 2 e to the x star is equal to 1. E to the x star is a half. So x star is equal to log of a half. And so in order to compute this this area, we're going to integrate it. Integrate from x star to 0 of e to the x minus 1 minus e to the x dx. Okay. So this is an integral x star to 0 of 2 e to the x minus 1 dx, which is 2 e to the x minus x evaluated these points. So this is 2 minus 2 e to the x star plus x star. Now 2 e to the x star is equal to 1. And x star is log of a half. So this gives 1 plus log of 1 over 2. Of course, we might be able to rewrite this, rewrite the logarithm. Yeah, so this is 1 minus log 2, using laws of logarithms, which is option B. And you know, as usual, given that I come up with one of the options on this type of exam, I'm fairly confident in what I did. I mean, unless you end up making one of the common mistakes that they kind of plan for. But yeah, I mean, overall, it's a fairly standard question. You're looking for the area between two curves on some region of the plane. Understanding how the geometry works out was important. That took me a little bit longer than I would have expected, but I wasn't really thinking about, for some reason I was thinking of y equals 1 minus e to the x. I was thinking of that as e to the negative x, which obviously is not, is different. But just in my head as I was visualizing things. So, one of the key parts in this question is, of course, finding the point of intersection of these two curves so you know exactly what region to integrate over. And then going through and doing the integral isn't really terribly difficult. If I have any mistakes, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching.